All right, here we are with the 19 Dodge Grand Caravan. Okay, so we hung a used fender here. That's an OEM used fender. We just pulled the door forward, and the reason we made that pull on the door, we're not going to use that door, we're going to replace it. But the purpose is so that we can get the hinges and the A-pillar and anything that might have moved a little bit back into position. So now our gap over here is good, okay, like it should be. And now when we hang our new door, it'll be that much easier to install. We've got our fender just loosely just sitting on there. Got the bolts in across the top, aside from the last one here, because that bolts to the radiator support that comes across here. And that piece is brand new, sitting there in the box. And we also straightened out this apron. So if you look in that box there, where the apron is, that was all kinds of crooked. So we went in there, straightened that apron box out, and we got most of it dialed in pretty good. We got our used hood on here. This is an OEM aluminum hood. Also picked this up at a salvage yard. It had, you know, that little aluminum oxidation, little bumps on the edges. So we went around and fixed them all. That way when we paint it, everything comes out like it's supposed to. We've got a brand new headlight on the way. This one's fine, but we have a new one coming for the driver's side. And now we got to get this radiator support off. The AC is cold and the coolant is full. So the radiator and condenser are both good. So we're going to pull off the radiator support, which is a big giant plastic piece. So we're gonna have to take that headlight out over there. And I'm gonna take all this, have to take the impact bar off. Impact bar, as you can see, nice and centered. You see everything's centered down the hood. So, you know, we don't have any real big problems here. This is actually going to turn out to be a very nice van. No airbag deployment. A pretty easy fix. So I will video as I go. Thanks for watching Car Plaza.